It's dark, it's fast, and it's full of emotion. It's very much about the upper body, and it always feels like they're gonna take off. A lot of his movements, even the picking, could be like the back of a bird, the hands, the wings, so he brings those references. First you start with words, then you start to make sentences, and then you start to play with the sentences with intonation, and then hopefully we bring it to something emotional where it becomes poetry and where it would touch a place deep inside of you.